This is Joe the Lawnmower Man, and I got my friends with me now. Hammy Jose Reyes.
Hey, how you guys doing? A little more hair, but
and the Godfather.
he's still alive.
Jesus, my Lord, Savior. But the purpose of this video is you got some guys on YouTube that always are into push-ups. Especially one that calls himself the King. I don't know who that is, but he said we can outdo. He can do the most push-ups on YouTube.
How many push-ups you gonna do?
I don't know, maybe a couple. I might do some hand claps or just a little warm-up. Anyway, Jose is my assistant. He's gonna hold the camera.
And watch him do. You're gonna do it right there in the grass. All right. Right there in the gravel. How many are you doing, brother man? 10. All right. Now the cat is going to help you.
Go ahead, kitty.
Now he's in your way, obstructing you. Aha!
Ah.
There you go, brother. How many you did? 23, 24, 25. There it is. Now break dance and move. And he still could do it. Yeah.
25 push-ups and break dancing.
And still alive.
And I am Godfather. I'm Joe the Lawnmower Man.
Alright.
Alright, well, it's good to have my friends back.
Amen.
I'm so happy. Hammy Jose.
How you guys doing?
And the great Godfather. And I'm also an artist. Look at this. I painted the Godfather's friends on my door.
Got me, Jerry, the pyramid.
Yep. They come see him at night every time. And I do the front part too.
They're both. Yeah.
See this show, Joe Lawnmower Man. We like to have fun on YouTube. That's what it's all about. Lawn care community or whatever community. We should all be one happy family. And just remember, King, say no to drugs, yeah. And also, gotta do some more push-ups. Yeah, let's do some more push-ups. This is for the King. Oh, okay. Hi, Vicky. Okay, my friends are back. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this myself. Okay, let's see. One-handed push-ups because my friend is holding the phone. This is me. One hand. I better do it with my left hand. One. Okay. Yeah. Let's have some fun on YouTube. Because I am. Yes. On the rocks. Look at that. Pure rocks. That's the way men do it. Hey, okay. The cat. The cat's gonna do the push-ups. Come on, kitty. Okay. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright, well, another's fooling around. I did one-hand push-ups, two-handed push-ups. I would do a clap, but these rocks hurt. Okay. Yep, and my rider's still in good shape. Oh, there's the kitty. Climb that tree. Yep, rider's looking good. See, look at it, ladies and gentlemen. I got a rider. Look at that. Alright. Enough of this gibberish. Just want to let you know that the Lawnmower Man is going crazy. Just happy I got my friends back in town. We're gonna rock. We're gonna take over YouTube. Yes, because we are the lawn care channel to watch out for. Yep. We are different, and we are one of a kind, and we love all the members of the lawn care community. So, you guys take it easy. And King, you want to challenge me, the Lawnmower Man, for some push-ups? Let's go. And any other YouTube channel, we can do this. So, you know what they always say, make love, not war. But, you know, that's only if you're married. Okay, this is Joe the Lawnmower Man, and I'll let you all go for now. But stay tuned for some more exciting adventures of me. Okay, I get do some one-handed push-ups. Okay, that's two. Yeah. See you later, guys. Bye.